Guys, ito yung sinasabi ko kanina pa.
Bro, can we talk about small content creators for a second? People don't realize how much effort goes into this. Like, you see a 15-second video on your screen, but you don't see the 2 hours of retakes, the editing, the ideas that got deleted, the night staying awake just to post something people might not even watch for 3 seconds. Small creators be putting their whole heart into their content, and all they get is 0 views, 0 comments, and maybe their one loyal cousin hitting the like button. Meanwhile, big creators sneeze and get a million likes. Bro, some of them are out here grinding with nothing but a broken phone, bad lighting, and pure hope. Hope that one person will see the video and say, yeah, I'll support this guy. Like, we can do the bare minimum for them, a simple like, a comment, or a sub. It can literally change someone's entire motivation. It tells them, yo, your work matters. So if you're still here listening, don't just scroll. I am sure you are different from the people who ignore creators trying their best. Use this sound and spread the word and help every small content creator struggling out there. Thank you. Bro, can we talk?
Guys, ito yung sinasabi ko kanina pa. Guys, 3 years ko to hinihintay mang naging ako mabig content creator. 2 years. Anong 2 years? 3 years ako nang hihintay. Kaya lang stop ako 1 years. Baka kasi maraming subscribe ko and bumalik ako. Wala, umiba. Same thing. 15 followers. Like 0. Anong 0? Meron din marami. Kaso, yung mga mas maganda sa akin, 20 lang yung mga likes ko. Wala namang 100 guys. Yung mga big creator kaya. Pang kayo to, ano? Pang kayo to, walang like o ano, nanghihintay kayo, diba sad? Pang mga small content creator, hinahayaan nyo lang guys. Inaayaan nyo lang. Igamitin yung ulo nyo. Ako nga sa TikTok, diba kunti lang, eh yung like ko naman 148. Ako pambibidyo, 1 hours ko pa yung tinake. 1 hours. Paano natatakot ako? Baka mapangit. 1 years. Anong 1 years? 1 hours. Ako nang hihintay. 1 hours ako nang bibidyo. Paano kasi natatakot ako? Baka kasi mapangitan kayo sa ginagawa ko. Saka yung mga small collector din. Natatakot din sila. Kaya mga 1 hours o 30 minutes yung ginagawa nila. Paano natatakot? Baka kasi mapangit. Tinatry nila iPod nila. Sometimes hanggang night ako natatapos. I-decorate ko pa. Baka kasi mapangit.